Hi, I am Kat Turner. I am the chef and partner of Highly Likely Café in the West Adams neighborhood of Los Angeles. When I was challenged with building the ultimate cheese board using California prunes, the first thing that came to mind was this mostarda. You've got chopped prunes, you've got minced shallot, you've got ginger, white wine, some cider vinegar, 3 different types of mustard, and you essentially just simmer it all together and it turns into this really lovely kind of like chunky, super flavorful, acidic and savory jam type sauce. Another component to the cheese board that I think is really important is to also have something kind of sweet and luxurious. I did whole prunes. So I actually steeped the dried prunes in the Earl Grey tea with sugar, Armagnac, orange peel, and pink peppercorns. And then I cooked it all down until it was syrup, and then it's really nice just to kind of like spoon that right over the saltier cheeses. It's incredible how much flavor is in a prune. You've got these elements of sweet and savory and umami, and there's tannic qualities to it. There are a number of components that I think are really important for a cheese board. Cornichon, I mean, just the whole prunes themselves are just a wonderful component. You can just throw them right on. Meats, if you kind of are into doing like meat and cheese together, are really great. Corn nuts. California prunes, they're a deceptively luxurious ingredient, both texturally and flavor-wise. I love the way that they can play savory, they can play sweet, everything in between. I really think that this cheese board proves how sexy prunes can be. They're gorgeous dried fruit. You know, they look beautiful, they look like these dark jewels, and they're a wonderful component to any cheese board.